A strong, professionally installed roof is essential for protecting your home, your family, and everything inside from the elements. Whether you're building a new home or replacing an aging roofing system, proper installation can make a major difference in durability, performance, and long-term protection. Homeowners looking for professional house roof installation in Pittstown, New Jersey. Turn to Guardian Pro Roofing and Improvements for dependable roofing solutions. Our experienced team evaluates your home's needs and helps you choose a roofing system that complements your property's style while meeting your performance goals and budget. Every project begins with careful preparation. A properly prepared foundation helps create a roofing system designed for reliable, long-lasting performance. Using quality materials and proven installation techniques, we pay close attention to every detail, from weather protection and ventilation to precise finishing work. A new roof can improve your home's curb appeal, enhance its value, and provide greater confidence through New Jersey's changing seasons. At Guardian Pro Roofing and Improvements, we're committed to quality workmanship, clear communication, and dependable service throughout your roofing project. Should my existing roof be inspected before installation? Yes. A professional inspection helps identify damaged decking, moisture problems, ventilation concerns, and structural issues that may need attention before the new roof is installed. Can a new house roof improve energy efficiency? Yes. Proper installation, effective attic ventilation, suitable roofing materials, and appropriate insulation can contribute to improved household energy performance. Can damaged roof decking be replaced during installation? Yes. If deteriorated, rotted, or structurally compromised decking is discovered, affected sections should be repaired or replaced before installing the new roofing system. Where is Guardian Pro Roofing and Improvements located? We are located at 5 I-78 Frontage Road, Pittstown, New Jersey 08867. Our phone number is 85638611514. Visit our website, www.aproofer.com/Williamstown-NJ.